Have you been looking for an electric hybrid sedan that has style and functionality? Then take a look at this 2019 Ford Fusion Titanium Hybrid in magnetic gray. With fully automatic headlamps, 18-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot monitoring, four-wheel disc brakes, heated seats, heated steering wheel mounted audio controls, Sync 3 communications and entertainment package, navigation, backup camera, dual zone temp controls, split folding rear seats, power sunroof, electronic stability control, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5400.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.